بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. دمانتي بوين السلام يا أنا كوحل ضيا مجا جالية أيرلند أقول إنها هي الصوماليات وحين اللي هي سودو هذا وحررت أن نكرر الجريو دي بدع نقول عي أو أنا حفظت عن إنيرو ليدا بلوني ما أنا أمريكا نجوه رئيسي مركز تو أنا حفظ قبنا إنه واحد عضينا ضد كأن سجنه أنا جو مرة عن هالكان نبت وحن جعلنا أنا أكبر إنه أنا نجس تايم إن شاء الله وأنا من on time ما أنتم من اللي قالي صارتان كل يوم بحاول بلتقينا وأن حسينا حسكي سنة جوردي كسورتي لحدني أفر سنة وحلقي أي جميسية وضك إن أي كبحين وحن لجوك تمرتب بدن oo ka kala timid gobolo badan aan rabnaa u mahad celiyo waxaan rabnaa sidoo kale u mahad celiyo dhamaan qabaqabiyaasha xafladan qiimaha badan noo soo qabaqabiyay maanta kale waxaan turtaa tix gabay ah laakiin dib aan u dhigo doonaa insha Allah Ismaaciil waxaan ka codsan doonaa inuu mar kale uu ii yeero si aan maanta kale bal waxa murtida ugu jirta aan soo turto soo dhawaada waxaan rabaa inaan mic aan siiyo laba marti ah oo naga tagi doonta oo ajnabi ah oo la joogta koo waxa uu yeerayaa lasan oo ka socda African communities in Ireland jeclaystana maanta inuu naga soo qayb galo xafladan lasan could you please come here and to have a speech if you don't mind lasan waxa weeyaan waa xogayaha African Solidarity Center. إلى سودوية وأنا هذا شقينا أو كوليجا. I hope you understand Somali language.
You should have teach me first.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you very much. I think he felt to give me some gist about Somalian language before calling me to the podium. But, however, we know this is like we say, Eid Mubarak to everyone and happy independence to you all. Like Kudun stated it, I came here on behalf of the African Solidarity Center Island to wish you happy Independence Day. We wish all Somalian community here and elsewhere tons of blessing, lot of success, and may next year be more happier and more successful year than this year. As Africans living in Ireland or elsewhere, as we might call ourselves diasporas, there's nothing else that makes us more welcome than looking at this unity among the Somalian community. And you need to make sure you promote further love, unity, integration into the society where you live. And the role of the Africa Solidarity Center, which is the first African diaspora membership-led organization founded 24 years ago, is to work with all the communities to make sure we are all integrated and that the issues that affect all of us are addressed locally, nationally, and at European level, looking at the issues of migration, issues of asylum, issues of refugee, issues of housing, issues of education. And we hope, as we celebrate this independence in difficult circumstances and conditions where we see European elections shifting to the far right and Ireland shifting to the far right and a lot of hatred against our brothers and sisters, we all pray that God give us leaders with wisdom leaders that have faith in the Lord, and leaders that think of solidarity with everyone elsewhere. While we speak here, many of our brothers and sisters are suffering somewhere. We've seen our brothers and sisters in Palestine, where the world is silent to what is happening. We've seen even in Somalia, we celebrate while some are victims of a lot of discrimination, hatred, and a lot of things. So while we celebrate here, I will invite you to think of everyone. We pray that we get health, blessing, and long life to love one another. So I won't be too long. I wish you a happy Independence Day, but please remember to give an applause to Kudun, because Kudun is my boss. Kudun is the vice. Yes, Kudun is, we can look online. The Africa Solidarity Center Island has an important man among the Somalian community, and it's Kudun. He's the vice chair of the Africa Solidarity Center Island. He's my boss. So give him an applause for inviting me here. Thank you very much, and I hope you celebrate well, and happy Independence Day.
Thank you so much, Lassane. Thank you so much. I appreciate it for that.